Can you make slime out of deodorant? We're gonna find out right here, right now in this video. My name is Colin, and welcome to Colin's Create TV. Now, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so if you're new to my channel, I post pretty cool DIY videos, cardboard project videos, and more. Also, I can make flipbook videos too. So make sure to like and subscribe for more content. So here's how to make slime out of deodorant. So I'm going to use Dove Men Plus Care deodorant right here. So, oh, it smells very good. So I'm going to take a knife right here. Got a plastic bowl. Got clear glue. I got some borax solution, some water, and baking soda. So I'm going to take a knife right here. I'm just going to kind of scrape it off like so. Just like that. Kind of scrape it down. There we go. Just kind of scrape it off just like that. Gonna keep twisting and turning until I get all of the deodorant out of here. There we go. Keep turning, keep twisting and turning until I get all of that deodorant out. There we go. All gone. So right here, I got some deodorant right here. Now, I'll be back for a minute. I'm going to put this in the microwave for about a minute or so. So I'll be right back. All right, guys. Okay, guys. So I am back here. And look at this. It melted very, very fast. Right here. This is the melted deodorant. Right here. It's all liquidy. So I'm just going to use Jot's clear glue. Right here. I'm going to use Jot's clear glue. I'm just going to pour it in here like so. Just like that. And then I'm just going to use my skewer stick and mix it around like so. And I'm trying to get this glue to combine, and look at this. It's starting to turn into white glue, people. It's turning into white glue. A little bit more clear glue. Wow, so it's turning to like a white glue paste type of liquid. Now it's gonna add a little bit of baking soda right here, just to make it non-stick. There we go. And you're gonna mix it up like so. Now, it's time to add the borax solution right here. Let's see how this turns out, guys. Here we go. Oh, wow. And look at this, guys. It's turning into slime. Check this out, guys. Wow. It's turning into slime, people. Wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it actually works. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, well, here's the question. Can you make slime out of deodorant? The answer is a yes. Now, it's pretty sticky, but that's totally fine. Look at that. It is slime, people. You can make slime out of deodorant. This is so cool, guys. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. You can make slime out of deodorant, guys. This is crazy. Now here is some ASMR right here, guys. ASMR. Dove Man Plus Care Deodorant Slime. This is so cool, guys. Alright, well, that is it for this video. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Sign off.